Cracking the probate market for motivated sellers and profitable deals couldn't be simpler with Propstream. First, log into your Propstream account and navigate to the Search tab. We're going to start by filtering for properties with the highest likelihood of being in probate. Under the Ownership Info section, select Pre-Probate. This crucial filter identifies properties where a death has recently occurred, but probate hasn't officially been filed, yet this gives you a significant head start. Now, let's narrow down our search area. You can input a specific zip code, county, or even draw a custom area on the map where you're looking to invest. For this example, we'll focus on a particular county. Once you've applied your filters, Propstream will generate a list of potential probate leads. Each card provides essential property details. Click on View Details for any property that catches your eye here. You'll find much more in-depth information. Pay close attention to the owner's name and mailing address. This is key for your outreach. Propstream often provides multiple owner contacts, giving you a better chance of connecting with the right individual. Don't forget to explore the Comps and Potentials tabs. This will show you comparable sales in the area and estimate the property's market value, helping you determine your offer. Once you've identified promising leads, add them to a lead list. You can create multiple lists for different campaigns or areas, keeping your probate prospecting organized. From your lead list, Propstream offers powerful marketing tools. You can skip trace to find accurate contact information or generate mailing labels for direct mail campaigns. A circumflex euros, a highly effective method for reaching probate sellers. Tailor your message to the unique situation of probate leads. Showing empathy and offering a solution. Your Propstream data makes personalized outreach simple and efficient. Finally, remember to follow up consistently. Use Propstream's features to track your interactions and schedule your next steps. This systematic approach is how you'll consistently secure profitable probate deals.